What's up, everyone? Bonus Aventus here. Going to quickly recap this trade that we just did. So this is when we just did this trade a couple minutes ago. We did IWM 251 calls. First, let's start with the Discord, of course. So lots of movement here this morning. SPY, QQQ, IWM, all up. IWM above 250, I said, is pretty interesting. As you could see some potential new highs here. So let's take a look at the monthly chart here. Let's go to month, right? So as we can see, we're seeing this big move up yesterday, and above 250 is significant. 250 is just going to be a nice sort of round number that the market is going to look at. And so we could just see a little bit of a pop up here. And as you can see, that is what we're seeing, at least so far today. So the trade that we did, let's take a look at the Discord. Looking at 250 walls. Ideally, we see a bounce off 250-ish, but I'm also looking at, if we go back to the 5-minute, these kind of areas, 250.26, and there's sort of 250.04. As you can see, it kind of dips just down. Doesn't quite hit 250, but we did end up entering around here. Basically caught the low, which was low was 63 cents. We got in at 65 cents, as you can see. So we actually had to wait a minute here. Got in 65 cents. And then we just let it run a little bit. Put a stop on at 1.1 and 1.15 on this move upwards. And then moving the stop to 1.22 at 6:38 PST or 9:38 Eastern time. And then we just got stopped out. So if we take a look at the 1-minute chart, where is that? So 6:38, 9:38, right on this candle here. We just got stopped out on this basically move downwards. Did end up moving a little bit higher later, and we'll see what happens the rest of the day. But we're happy with what we did. I mean, 84% profit for, what, 10 minutes of work? Pretty solid. And that's the only thing that we have done today so far. We'll see what else happens the rest of the day. Not really sure. Yeah, but again, everything is live in the Discord. As you can see, all the timestamps are here. You can follow the same trades that we do in real time. And yeah, plenty of opportunity to get in on this one. As you can see, we have this. This is where we can buy right here. So that's the trade that we did, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord if you want, and we'll catch you on the next video.